Okay, welcome to online education. This is T. Narahari, lecturer in mathematics at GD Simabad. Today, discussing about the definition of column and space and theorem and problems. This is the topic today. You see, first, column and space definition. How to see column and space definition? The column space of an M cross n matrix A written as call A is the set of all linear combinations of the columns of A if A is equal to A1 A2 AN. Call A is equal to span of A1 A2 dash dash AN. You see this definition. See the definition of this. Call A. Here A is a matrix. A is a matrix, M cross N matrix, where M is rows and N is columns. N is number of columns, number of rows. This is called M by N matrix. M by N matrix is denoted by M rows and N columns. Now define column space. Column space of A. Column space of A. If you see elements A is equal to column elements A1, A2 dash dash AN. Here call A is equal, it is written as call A. Column space A is written as shortly COL A, call A. Call A is span of, call A is a span of, here elements A1, call A is a span of A1, A2 dash dash AN. This is the span. Here let A be an M cross N matrix. Let A be an M cross N matrix. Then the set consisting of all linear combination of all linear combination of A. You write, see what span A means. You write this is span of A1 A2 A1 means here A1 x1 plus A2 x2 plus N plus AN xn. This is the linear combination. Is column numbers. This is, see here what to write, see. This is the definition of column space. Now here explain how to this explain here. See column, right, this is a linear combination of this. You consider a equation is, see, x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 is equal to 4, 5x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 1. This is right. What is the here matrix form of this? You write 1, 2, minus 1, 0, because x1 term is there, no, that is 0, minus 5, 3. This is our matrix. Here how many entries? Here x1, x2, x3. You write x1, x2, x3 is a variables. This you write, see, 4, 1 you write. This is the matrix notation of this. See the matrix notation of this. You write this is You write another form. You write x1, 1 into x1 you multiply, plus 2 into x2 plus minus 1 into x3. Again 0 into x1, second line, minus 5 into x2 plus 3 into x3, and you write here 4 comma 1. This is this. Now write here, see here x1 is common in lowest, you write it is write the vector form of this. What you write vector form here, x1 is common, you write 1 comma 0 plus x2 is common in both 2 comma minus 5 plus x3 is common minus 1 comma 3 is equal to 4 1. This is 4 1 is linear combination of 1 comma 0 here matrix column, 2 5 2 comma minus 5 and minus 1 comma 3 minus 1 comma 3. This is a linear combination of column of the matrix A. This is the. Now what about 4 1? Here 4 1 is a element in col A. This is the case. Now see, what about see 4 1 you write under the linear combination of columns of A. Columns of A. This is a column definition. Now see this, how to write here. You see one of the problem under this. A is, you write see, Ax is equal to B. Ax is equal to B is matrix notation. If A is 1, Ax you see, A matrix is given 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 5, 3. And you write x, x1, x2, x3. This is equal, you write see, here, how to write this? Here multiply this. x1 plus 2x2 minus x3. Here 0 into x1, right, minus here x is given 4, undertake this 4 and 3 and 7. Right, see here 0 into x1 and plus minus 5 into x2 plus 3 into x3. What is answer of this? x1, x2, x3 substitute by 4, 3, 7. 4 plus 2 into 3 minus x3 raised plus 7. Here 0 into 4 plus minus 5 into 3, right, plus 3 into 7. What is the answer of this? 4 plus 6 minus 7. Here 0 minus 15 plus 3 7s are 21. This answer is right. 3 comma 6. 3 6. You write here 3 6. You write 3 6 is here you common x1 1 comma 0 plus x1 means you write 4 into 1 comma 0. Here common here x2. x2 means you take 3 into 2 comma minus 5 plus x3 means you take 7 into what, right, see, minus 1 comma 3. This is the answer. You write this 4 and you write same answer 4. This you write get 3 comma 6. If 3 comma 6 write under the your exist scalars 4, 3 and 7. Fourth, how to get How to exist? Here linear combination of the vectors, column vectors in A matrix. This is the case. And what about C? B is also element of col A. And how to write here from these two examples? Now define call set. How to construct call set? B is there. How to write C? Ax is equal to B, where B is also element of R power M. Why to write R power M? R power M, A is a matrix of M cross N in rows. Here R power M. Ax is equal to B. Here you write B, you write under the linear combination of Ax, under the linear combination of columns of A matrix. Then B is call A and B is the element in call A. This is the set of call B, call A. Call A is defined as call A set constructed by B is there. B is the element in call A. When Ax is equal to B, B is also element of R power N. That is call A. See, it is how now you see one of the theorem, column space, column call A is a subspace of vector space R power M. Call A is a subspace of vector space R power M. Now going to show this. You know one of the theorem in previously, what is that? See, H is equal to span of V1, V2, V3 is a subspace of V, because H contains all elements are spanned by V1, V2, V3. Are spanned by V1, V2, V3. Span set is a subspace of V. You know this theorem. According to this theorem, here what about C? Call A is defined as, call A is constructed by B. Here Ax is equal to B, or B is also element of R power M. That is X. X is also element of R power M. X అనేది R. B is also element of call A. Here see, right is A is A1, A2 dash dash AN is also element of R. It is column elements. Here call A and Ax is equal to B. Here B as a linear combination of this. B is equal to, here what is that? See, A1 x1, B is equal to here A1 x1 plus A2 x2 plus and so plus AN xn. Here B is also A. What about C? Span of A1, A2, AN. Here B is equal to span of B is in span of A1, A2 dash dash AN. This is the case. And B is there. B is a span of this, and you take C. C is a span of A1, A2, A3. And you take AB, D. D is a span of this. Each and every element in call A span of A1, A2, AN. Call A is, all elements in call A possess a linear combination with A1, A2, AN. A1, A2, AN. Linear combination of A1, A2. It is a linear combination. It is span. This call A is spanned by A1, A2, AN. A1, A2, AN is a column elements in matrix A. Please observe, see, here you know one of the theorem here. What I had to see? Span of V1, V2, V3 is subspace. Here also B. Call A is span of this A1, A2, AN. This is, therefore, call A is a subspace of R power M. This is the theorem of the this C. What is the column space of an M cross N matrix A is a subspace of R power M. This is the proof of the theorem. Now next problems, you see, it is also an important problem under our Calcutta University, is giving 4 marks. Find find a matrix A such that W is equal to call A, where W is 2R plus 3T, R plus S minus 2T, 4R plus S, and 3R minus S minus T. Here R comma T, R S T is also element of real numbers. Now here what is given in the problem? Find matrix A. Find matrix A such that ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలి? W is equal to కాల్ ఏ. W అనేది కాల్ ఏలో ఉండేటట్టుగా మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏ అని కనుక్కోవాలి. W అనేది కాల్ ఏలో ఉండాలి అంటే ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది? వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అకార్డింగ్ టు అవర్ సెట్ B is a కాల్ ఏ. వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ B right under the linear combination of the column elements, then B is a element in call A. Similarly here W, see here W is a, right, you prove this, W is a linear combination with matrix A, column matrix. W is call A is, here see W is equal to call A means W అంటే all elements in W, all elements in W are W is spanned by column elements of column vectors of A. This is the condition. Same this condition you write, see W is equal to is given set. Here you write here R is common, R S T. Okay, R is common. Here you cite R means here 2, here R is 1, here R is 4, here R is 3. This is clear. Now plus S you write. S is here no S, this is 0. No S, this is 0. Here S is 1, here S is 1, here S is minus 1. Here T you common and here 3 and minus 2, here T no 0, here T is minus 1. What's here? W is a, what about see? W, all elements R S T is real numbers. There exists a number scalars R S T places such that each and every element in W possesses a linear combination with these elements. Right? W is call A. Call A means these vectors, right, in the given matrix A is column elements. This write A matrix 2 1 4 3 and 0 1 1 minus 1 and 3 minus 2 0 minus 1. This is the A matrix. This is the A matrix. Please observe. Here what about 2 0 3 1 1 minus 2 4 1 0 3 minus 1 minus 1. This is our matrix. This. Now next see other problems is similarly same. It is find a matrix W is find the matrix A such that W is equal to call A. What here where W set how to define? W set C 6A minus B, A plus B and minus 7A, where A comma B is also element of R. Now W is all elements in W linear combination with this set. You see here W is equal to set of, here A is common, you write A is there here only 6, here A1, here A minus 7, plus B is common, here minus 1, here plus 1, there is no B in third entry is 0. This is V1, this is V2. W is a linear combination, span of W. W is a span of V1, V2. W is a set span of V1. V1 is what about C? 6 1 minus 7 and V2 is minus 1 1 0. This is the matrix here. This type of problems are given. I'll also be there is same other problem. third problem also be there. You try to yourself. This is the problem, right? See, next another problem. It is a important problem between two is there, null and space. See, a is 2 4 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 5 7 3 3 7 minus 8 6. This is it. Now whatever a, if the it is matrix is how many rows, how many columns are there? Rows 1 2 3 rows, columns 1 2 3 4 columns are there. 4 3 by 4 matrix. A is a matrix 3 by 4 matrix. See here, first answer here. What about if the column space of A in subspace of R power k, what is k? K, value of k, define this. Here column, first answer is call A is a, you know that in our theorem, call A is a subspace of R power m, where m is a R power m, where m is a number of rows in the given matrix. Number of rows. Here m is, what about see here? Space of R power. Here R power k is given in the problem. R power k is a, what about here m? K is equal to m. M is, what about m is the number of rows. What k? K is a number of rows. That is 3 answer. What about C? K is equal to, you take 3. This is. Similarly B is, what about C? If the null space of A is a subspace of R power k, what is k? What is k means here? See, null space. You know, one of the theorem already proved. Null space is a subspace of R power n. What n in the matrix? N is a number of columns. The number of columns is 4. Here n is equal to 4. This is the problem. Totally what is that? See, column space and matrix constructed and theorem and definition is most important, with null space also. These two also be very important under given 4 marks or 3 marks in our Kakti University. Next, thank you. Next class you see other definitions, other problems you see. This is, thank you. See once again.